I love the sea, Smithers. No earthquakes, towering infernos.
Cool, no gravity. Oh, there it is.
So now which way do we go on this fakakta flip of the ship?
Homer, what should we do?
Give me a second, I'm in the bathroom.
Hey, the engine room is just through this flooded area. Somebody has to take the rope, swim through to the other side, and tie it off so we can use it as an underwater guideline.
Stand aside. I shall perform the necessary heroics. I've tied it off. You're all going to make it. Tell the world that I saved you all.
Don't tell me what to do.